How do you dig a trench 6 feet wide, 20 feet deep, through 100 miles of solid rock?
You summon a Steel Leviathan.
The colossal cutting wheel begins its aggressive, grinding rotational acceleration into solid bedrock.
It does not dig, it consumes.
This is the impossible job. Most excavators are measured in tons. This machine, this is measured against mountains. Tipping the scales at 150 tons, this machine is the bulk of half a dozen standard excavators combined. A strange amalgamation of technology. Part heavy tank, part high-speed saw. Fueled by over 1,200 raw horsepower.
Its brute force makes conventional earth-moving equipment look like mere toys.
Captain! We are clear for the cut. Engaging the wheel now.
The operator commands this beast from a high perch, overlooking the sheer scale of the operation. The true horror, the true marvel, lies in the anatomy of destruction, the cutting system itself.
These are not mere shovels. These are specialized carbide teeth, often diamond-laced, designed to handle immense kinetic energy.
As rock is shredded, the material is instantly lifted and routed away, maintaining efficiency in the face of destruction.
The rotational speed creates forces that simply peel layers of permafrost and granite away.
Each day brings astronomical wear and tear. Maintaining this edge is a specialized, costly operation. Ripping through bedrock feels less like digging and more like structural failure on an atomic scale. The spoils are neatly deposited far from the trench edge, ready for backfill or removal.
Massive hydraulic pressure ensures millimeter precision, even under thousands of pounds of resistance.
Capable of digging trenches 20 feet deep, this machine creates subterranean canals large enough to swallow construction vehicles whole. The forces unleashed here shake the earth itself. The machine must be built to withstand its own destructive capability.
The result is a surgically precise line, a testimony to engineering mastery applied to the earth. This leads us to why this machine is a hidden machine. Its specialized role takes it far beyond typical construction sites.
It is deployed only for massive, long-haul linear projects, transnational pipelines, fiber optic conduits.
Where efficiency and speed are paramount and the terrain is unforgiving, this is the secret solution.
Maintain depth profile at Sector 4. Keep the convoy moving.
The logistical coordination required for this linear excavation demands high-level technical oversight. It is too expensive, too powerful for typical jobs. It is reserved for the extreme margins of infrastructure.
A machine of this caliber requires bespoke parts, highly specialized engineers, and millions of dollars just in initial procurement.
It is the tip of the spear in transcontinental utility installation, a crucial yet rarely seen component of modern life.
How do you move 150 tons of destruction? You don't. You take it apart, piece by monumental piece.
Each connection point is engineered for massive stress, requiring specialized tools to even begin separation.
The heavy components travel in convoy, a moving spectacle of industrial logistics.
And the ongoing cost. These irreplaceable cutting teeth must be swapped out frequently, each one costing more than many small cars. Fuel consumption is measured not in miles per gallon, but in gallons per hour. The beast must be constantly fed. The cost of maintaining its specialized edge is the entry fee for doing the truly impossible work.
The sheer power required to cut this granite is immense.
At 150 toes, the trencher reshapes the landscape, one slow crawl at a time.
The immense cutting wheel spins rapidly, lifting a golden plume of rock dust into the air. Building the future often means cutting through the past. This trench, stretching to horizon, Building the future is never easy. It takes grit, determination, and machines built for giants. Weighing in at 150 tons, the industrial wheel trencher is a marvel of modern engineering, capable of carving through solid rock.
Under the watchful eye of foreman Elias, the 150-ton trencher carves a path through the arid plain. Next, we examine the sheer force required to carve through the Earth's toughest layers.
The line is drawn. The massive trencher, all 150 tons of it, is ready to carve its path through the ancient stone.
Weighing in at 150 tons, this colossal trencher represents the cutting edge of heavy industry, but even the strongest machines have a breaking point.
The massive wheel trencher pulverizes the earth, creating a perfectly uniform spoil pile at a relentless pace. To move this much earth requires immense power and a constant battle against the dust. Weighing in at 150 tons, the industrial wheel trencher tears through solid rock with unmatched precision.
The trench monster, hidden, colossal, and absolutely critical. This is the dominance of industrial engineering.